Okay, I want to show you how to make an assessment on the school point. So this is the course that I have for NPM 2D. So you're going to your course, you're going to the class lesson. So the first thing you need to do is to create unit plan. So I've already done it. Here I just create all of my units. And now I want to go to create some lessons, right? So everyone knows. So I go to the class lessons. So let's say I have my lessons planned. This is what I created, right? So for unit 1, I add this assessment. Actually, there is an easier way that you can add an assessment. Here, I want to show you how to do that. So let's say I created an assessment. How do I do that? I need to go to the assessment for the first time. Let's say this is your first assessment. You have to go there, assessment. Kind of slow. So this is where you creating the assessment. You can create a bulk assessment or just simply say add class assessment. I want to say add class assessment. Say this is class worksheet assessment for learning. So the date, I want to put May, let's say 13th. And mark out of, let's say 100, 25, 25, 25, 25. So let's say there is no weight for that, so 0. The unit is the unit, second unit. Show feedback session, so and estimate the hours. Let's say this is 2 hours. And then, well, unfortunately, I just put in enter, that's why it went like it's saving it. Okay, no problem, I just wait for it to be saved. But you have to wait until you put in all information, then save it. Where is it? It may take time. So this is what I created on the 12th. Actually, it didn't save. Anyway, let's say I created and I saved that. I can go back here and edit. This is very important. When you create a one lesson, one assessment, you can go and edit. When you hit the edit, you can go back and say, let's say you need 2 comments. So you can put the instruction, let's say what pages your student wanted to do and the number of the questions in that worksheet. You can explain it here. You can put the expectation. You can save the changes. Now that's the important part. So I found it is much more easier if we just create one and then doing this. Say I created one assessment here. It's taking so much time if you want to edit everything here, like add an assessment here and edit it here. It's easier that you go to view assessment. So this is my assessment. And I go to the edit assessment information. See? Now, save changes and return. You press that. Now, there you go, we're coming here. See, this place is much more easier for you to edit everything. See, what I can do, see, I can add an assessment here. I can click on this and one assessment will be created. Another good thing is that you can duplicate your assessment. Let's say I'm here, I press on this, and let's say I want to create a similar assessment where I just want to make a few changes or change my file attachment to that. So I say okay, okay. And this will have to load it. Okay, see, this is kind of a duplicate of this one. Then I can go edit, change the date, change few things inside. So I'm going here. So let's say I want to keep everything, except I want to load different file. Just click on a file and I just attach something different. And for instructions, I can kind of edit some of these instructions that I have previously. So it's much more easier to do it this way. Again, I save it and I return it back. So yeah, you can just discover all of these features here. Also, another interesting thing is that if you come here, you'll see this is the class resources. So for class resources, I have a link for a textbook online. I just did it and I did click on it and the URL and things that asking me for name and the URLs. Actually, you can add one more to this one. Let's say this one. So I want to just add it something else. BBB. The link that I want to add. This is the principal. So that one, I want to copy it. I want to return back into here, paste it, add the resource and return. So you can add any resource you want, or I don't see any file that you can upload here, but did it? Yeah. Like different features you can, so resource content, you can explain what is the resources, resource link, hide resources. Yeah, see, this is these two resources that I have here. You can explore, you know, even you can manage markup the student here. It's much more easier that you go back and do this manage mark somewhere else. So you have everything here to edit. It's much more convenient. So again, you can add assessment. Like let's say you really, or add discussion to your class, or add a lesson here. Yeah, that's it.